Hello and welcome viewers, I am Pia and you're watching News X. Let's take a look at the top headlines this hour.
Make India great again, yani MEGA.
During the bilateral with US President Donald Trump, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has highlighted the similarities between MAGA and Viksit Bharat. He has stated that the latter is essentially Make India Great Again. He's also emphasized that a joint vision of MAGA and MEGA can become a mega partnership for prosperity.
I'm pleased to announce that my administration has approved the extradition of one of the plotters and one of the very evil people of the world.
US President Donald Trump has announced that his administration has approved the extradition of Tahawoor Rana, wanted by Indian probe agencies for his role in the 26/11 Mumbai terror attacks in 2008.
Increasing military sales to India by many billions of dollars. We're also paving the way to provide India with the F-35 stealth fighters, increasing military.
In a move that could significantly boost military ties between India and the United States of America, Donald Trump has announced the sale of F-35 fighter jets to India.
समिट में हम देशों के साथ नए क्षेत्रों में सहयोग बढ़ाएंगे.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced that this time India will host the Quad Summit somewhere later this year and has stated that India will in fact open up new areas of cooperation with the partner nations.
लॉस एंजलिस और बोस्टन में भारत के नए कॉन्सुलेट खोलेंगे.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi has stated that India would soon open its new consulates in Boston and Los Angeles. He's also invited US President Donald Trump to visit New Delhi. India and United States of America will work to more than double the bilateral trade to $500 billion by 2030. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has stated that both countries will work on concluding this agreement very, very soon. All right, viewers, there of course were our headlines. Meanwhile, we're of course shifting focus to one of the big ticket